Replacing windows is a major upgrade that can improve comfort, energy efficiency, and the overall appearance of a home. However, even high-quality windows can fail to deliver their full benefits if installation mistakes are made. In Mandeville, where humidity, rain, and temperature changes are common, proper window installation is especially important. Understanding the most common mistakes helps homeowners avoid costly issues and ensures new windows perform as intended for years to come. Skipping accurate measurements. One of the most common window installation mistakes is relying on rough or outdated measurements. Homes, especially older ones, often have window openings that are not perfectly square due to settling over time. In Mandeville homes, inaccurate measurements can lead to gaps, poor sealing, and drafts. Proper installation always begins with precise, multi-point measurements to ensure a snug and secure fit. Ignoring moisture protection needs. Moisture is a constant concern in Mandeville's climate. Failing to use proper flashing and waterproofing materials during installation can allow water to seep into walls. This mistake often leads to hidden damage, mold growth, and structural issues. Correct installation includes layered moisture protection that directs water away from the window opening. Improper sealing around the frame. Even when windows are well fitted, poor sealing can undermine performance. Inadequate caulking or insulation allows air and moisture to pass through. For Mandeville homeowners, improper sealing can result in drafts, humidity issues, and reduced comfort. High-quality sealants and insulation must be applied correctly to create an airtight barrier. Installing windows out of level or square. Windows that are not level or square may look fine at first but often develop problems over time. They may stick, fail to close properly, or allow air leaks. In Mandeville homes, this mistake can compromise both comfort and durability. Professional installation ensures windows are aligned correctly so they operate smoothly and seal tightly. Overlooking structural repairs. Sometimes, window installation reveals underlying issues such as rotted wood or damaged framing. Ignoring these problems to save time or money is a costly mistake. In Mandeville's humid environment, untreated damage can worsen quickly. Addressing structural issues during installation ensures the new window performs properly and lasts longer. Using the wrong window type for the location. Not all windows are suited for every area of the home. Choosing a window style without considering ventilation, exposure to rain, or privacy needs can limit performance. For example, installing windows that don't handle moisture well in bathrooms or kitchens can lead to problems in Mandeville homes. Installation without proper experience. While DIY projects can be appealing, window installation requires specialized skills and tools. Improper DIY installation is a common source of air leaks, water intrusion, and poor performance. For Mandeville homeowners, professional installation helps avoid mistakes that could lead to costly repairs later. Neglecting manufacturer installation guidelines. Every window product has specific installation requirements. Ignoring these guidelines can void warranties and reduce performance. Professional installers follow manufacturer specifications closely, ensuring windows in Mandeville homes meet quality and warranty standards. Rushing the installation process. Window installation should never be rushed. Skipping steps or cutting corners often leads to long-term issues. In Mandeville homes, taking the time to install windows correctly ensures better comfort and durability. Choosing experience over shortcuts. Avoiding common window installation mistakes protects your investment in your home. By working with experienced professionals who understand Mandeville's climate and building conditions, homeowners can enjoy windows that perform reliably, improve comfort, and provide peace of mind for years to come.